miles of back roads and highways connect to little towns of fun. We wanna live down there in the middle of nowhere. Let the men who plowed that earth, planted that seed, forced the wheels, that's for you and me. On the hardest road in Kansas, they don't understand why God made those flyovers. Guess that's my long summer day, freight train, and you can't see it all. It's like that breathtaking
It's raining in the back of that. Oh my God.
under their feet. Yeah, that sounds like the first time seen on the
Get off of me!
in your eyes like a watercolor inside your back. Heaven's doors have opened. They understand why God made those flyovers. Feel that freedom on your face, breathing all that open space. Feel the they don't understand why God gave. You might even want to plant your skates in those flyovers days. Hold on. Hey. Right to left.
Merry Christmas, Ronnie!
Hey, Ronnie. Little car, big car. Big little. Hey, the brakes went on the car. There we are. You didn't know they didn't go on. You know they didn't go on.
Hey, look, he's gone coastal.
Whoa! Supposed to be right to left. Right side out first.
Not yet? Okay. Maybe yet.
Go, George!
Go around it. Right to left. You want to sit with me? No, I'm good. Are you sure? I said, oh! There's the grid. There's our kids. You see? They're no dummies. Working. Working. They're tired.
Yeah, we're out of car.
We're merging. It's like Chicago. We ain't in Florida anymore. Whoa.
Much faster than
Oh, there's... Sandy! Sandy! There's wings! They'll all think you're Ariana.
Do we look alike?
Similar to people who haven't seen her. You know, they don't know. Everybody thinks they know. Oopsie! Find the gear, Jack. Find the gear. That's okay. That's okay. He didn't hear a thing. It doesn't matter.
Can't help it.
I got you. You're fine. The handlebars broke.
Got higher gear that time.
Got it. Got it. Can't find a friend. Go ahead. She's got her and take her brother off. Merry Christmas! Hey! Damn, Jack! She works at the the Kangaroo. One of those girls there at the corner store.
I can do it. Come on.
You can do it, Jack. I smell horse poop.
Gotta stop for a pit stop every once in a while.
My boy.
Girls running along basil. Yeah.
Has anybody seen a gear? Woo!
I can't find it.
You never can, Jack. That's okay. We love you anyway. We'll get there eventually. If we have to ride the chopper, we will.
There's gonna be a little bump.
Okay.
Come on here.
Look, we got go-karts passing us. I like my seat now. I'm swinging there.
Hey, I found something to hold on to.
Yeah, if you want to sit here, sweet pea,
That's fine.
you're braving it. I love it. She's riding that chopper all the way, man. Rain or shine.
Intermediate.
Yeah, what's the...
All I can do, I mean.
The little wind in my too.
Yeah, we should have sat up here.
Oh, no.
You know what? No, we should have. You know what we call it? Dumbass. Not you, me. I should have just did this. Hey, Donna and Terry.
Like I sit down and never stops it.
Hey, you're
Stand
neutral.
up when he's going to sit down and never stops it.
Try to find something you didn't video.
Get it.
Hey, we have this on tape. We have it on tape. Look at that little place.
I never even noticed that.
Me neither. I've never noticed it. I've never noticed that place, up to my recollection.
Forced to the pit stop around.
There's Bose
Oh, it's full of gas. Full of gas. Full of gas.
Oh no, now here's some.
Battery's very right. You got a chain in there? Huh? You got a chain? I got some. I might have to load it something. I'll hook it right to the back of the trailer. I think I'll load the loose. Start full field. Right. Two. Full field. Yeah, I think the battery died. No, the battery's good. Yep. I'll get it around her and pull it. Watch your legs. Watch your legs.
We can thumb a ride.
The whole man that died in the car. He's gonna find a rope or a chain.
We need a ride. We can't. Come on, let's go.
My truck's ahead of me.
We're going somewhere
Stay here.
else.
Stay here. I'm looking for the can card, pull them.
Come on, kids. It's closer to walk from the lodge. Oh, well, can you get it? Okay.
You gotta run.
All right, we're back on.
All we're gonna do is gonna pull her in.
Come on, wait, Jack. Hang on, Katrina, I got you. Okay. Got it?
Pull it.
Okay. All right. That's so nice. All right, we're ready. Okay. I'm still taping.
Good. Oh my God.
Thank God. I forgot. All right, come on, Jack. You can do it. Merry Christmas. Swing it. Woo!
We're just out of the school, so
Not yet.
Normally there's more candy on the road. Nobody can afford it this year.
Guess not.
I'm serious. Normally this road is covered.
Yeah, there was a lot last year.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of things.
He's got Coastal! Santa Hut! Damn! Get it, that's a good one. Get it. Yeah, watch your cars and get it. Don't get run over, but that's a good one. Duck Dynasty hat!
Yeah, there it is.
Oh my God, it's a horse.
Anybody want to wear it?
I know. He wants it.
Give me your hat.
Now wear yours. Now wear yours.
God, you sure you don't want to see?
I'm good.
Okay. I do not want your head going under that tire.
Break it down, break it down.
Fuel building too.
So this will be the video. If anybody wants to ride next year, watch this first.
Watch this first. I still want to go next year.
She ain't scared.
Still want to.
I love this chain. It made it look like we had to have this heavy chain. A float's passing us. We got passed by go-karts. Hi, Hi, Merry Christmas.
You're so sweet, I just creep for my
It's embarrassing. I can't get another gear.
That's all right. We're going. We're moving.
Do it, roll out.
We're happy. We're moving. YouTube, Sam Sola Parade. I hear him. Don't kill us. We'll be jumping a fence if we don't. Yep. Here's Mom and Dad, Robert. Barely. We had go-karts passing us. Should we get her? We should have stopped Mom. We can't stop. Oh, he's smoking.
There's that white angel thing. There's
There's the angel. Woo, Danny.
Want to be a reindeer?
Huh?
Want to be a reindeer? Yeah, they need
Let's go! I'm gonna do you!